How many times, when this happens in practice, how many times do teams come in entirely on the same page versus how many times does everybody have a whole bunch of different ideas? And how does the workshop we talked a lot about team alignment in the last episode. How does this even on day one begin to form team alignment?
Yeah, it's a very often, we have people that are sort of tied to an initiative and they have a stake, but they haven't always gotten into a room together or, some of the exercises, we do a lot of collaborative kind of design exercises to work through. And it starts to get revealed that they have differing visions on where this needs to go or where the business is going. And so
how often does that happen? Is it once in a while or every time?
Pretty much every workshop is, that's a common thing when we have a lot of stakeholders, and sometimes those stakeholders aren't in the same company. They're partners or they're providing a piece. One of the things that we love to do are connected device experiences where there's hardware involved and maybe sensors, and there's a third or fourth party on the data side that they're partnering with other services. And, this is a first real chance to get in the room and start to connect the dots between outcome and potential solutions and start to dig down into assumptions. And so we don't solve any problems in the workshop, but we start to flesh that out, because where we come out of the workshop then is like, okay, now we know where we need to go talk to users to really understand more about this aspect of how do they currently solve the problem, or more about the context, or, maybe we've got to go do a deep dive around some of the technologies involved and look at APIs and look at other services, that could be part of the solution. And so that workshop really is instrumental in kind of setting the direction of what the discovery comes to look like. But there's a lot of work yet to do early on.